We'll guide you through how to make liquid morph in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender and start a new project using the default workspace. In the 3D viewport, select the default cube by clicking on it. Then press X and confirm the deletion so the scene is empty and ready for the liquid setup. Press Shift+A to open the Add menu. Choose Mesh and add a UV sphere into the scene. Move the sphere slightly above the grid using the Move tool or the G key so the liquid will have space to fall naturally during the simulation. On the right side of the interface, open the Physics Properties tab. With the sphere selected, click Fluid to add fluid physics to the object. Change the object type to flow because the sphere will act as the liquid source. In the flow settings, change the flow type from smoke to liquid. After that, set the flow behavior to geometry so the entire sphere becomes a liquid-emitting object during the simulation. Next, create the liquid container by pressing Shift+A, selecting Mesh, and choosing Cube. Scale the cube larger so it surrounds the sphere completely and provides enough space for the liquid to move around. Select the large cube, go back to the Physics Properties tab, and add another fluid modifier. Set the cube type to Domain and choose Liquid as the domain type. In the domain settings, increase the resolution divisions value to create smoother and more detailed liquid movement. Enable the mesh option in the liquid settings so the fluid becomes visible as a solid liquid surface instead of only particles. Finally, select the liquid source sphere again and add a subdivision surface modifier from the Modifiers tab to smooth the sphere geometry and improve the overall appearance of the liquid morph effect before running the simulation. Once all the settings are complete, return to the domain settings and bake the liquid simulation so Blender can calculate the movement. Wait for the baking process to finish. Press the spacebar or use the timeline controls to preview the liquid animation inside the viewport. If the liquid looks too rough or slow, adjust the resolution divisions or scale of the domain and bake the simulation again. Save the project regularly to avoid losing any progress while testing different liquid morph results.